Hi, sweet friends. I'm so excited to introduce to you my newest online class, Watercolor Meditations. This class is great for anyone who wants to explore watercolors as a way to bring some relaxation and calm into their busy lives. We'll start by going over some basic watercolor supplies and then going over some basic watercolor techniques, and then proceed into our exercises or watercolor meditations that will combine breathing, mindfulness, and colors for a fun and calm experience. There are over 20 different watercolor meditations for you to enjoy, and they don't require a huge time commitment, so you can just use whatever time you have available during your day. This class is super beginner friendly, but even if you have some prior watercolor or art experience, you will find some of these watercolor meditations very soothing and grounding. I hope you'll join me in the class, and I'll see you there.